13. The pilot can land now. What can the pilot do? 14. The clerk said that there were only 3 rooms available at the hotel. What did the clerk mean? "15. Alfred said, 'They're blinking the lights.' What did he mean?" 16. The cashier told George he could open an account. What could George do? 17. Gladys saw her grandfather yesterday. Whom did she see? 18. Ralph spent a great deal of time in the South. How much time did he spend there? 19. If we are having a thunder shower, what are we having? 20. They are going to Houston by jet. How will they go to Houston?